Hey Fayez, it's Andy. I just wanted to point out one thing. It looked like through most of your decks you used the correct layout within the templates on the slide deck, but in some cases you didn't. And I just want to make sure that you understand what's going on. It looks like you do because most of the slides are done correctly, but there's a few in here that weren't. And for instance, in this the mid-server credentials deck here on this third slide, it looks like the layout that was used was this one with the small right image, and there's not one there. So really the one that should have been chosen is this normal instructional content slide. And so what happens is if you use the incorrect layout, you won't be able to transfer within the layouts, or more importantly, let's say somebody for Knowledge 12 comes in and says, we want you to use this template. It won't transfer easily. So for instance, if I go here and click normal instructional content, you'll notice the text didn't go into the layout properly. It thinks that there's no text there, and you have to actually copy and paste. And so if you have 100 slides, this could be pretty tedious. So for instance, if you look at your other slide, for instance, like on this one here, you did this one correctly, where in the layout, you've got the normal instructional size. So if I were to switch to one, let's say, for instance, I wanted to put a new template for this slide, or even just as simple as putting a new layout. Let's say I wanted to create an image on the right-hand side. I could click this one now and see how the text stays there, and then I only have to drop in an image. So hopefully that makes sense. That was pretty much the biggest thing that I saw from a development standpoint. We can go back through and go through content edits at a later point. Let me know if you have any questions.